Securing the right home insurance is crucial for peace of mind and protecting your investment. In Georgia, homeowners have a wealth of options to suit various needs, whether you own a high-value residence, have unique home styles, or are stepping into homeownership for the first time. This article provides an in-depth look at Georgia's leading home insurance providers, essential coverage options, and tips to streamline the claims process and minimize premiums through proactive risk management. Unveiling top home insurance choices for families in Georgia. The average homeowner in Georgia spends about $2,057 annually for standard dwelling coverage of $300,000. Leading providers such as Allstate, Chubb, Auto Owners, State Farm, and Country Financial offer robust coverage tailored to diverse needs, combining competitive premiums with stellar customer service. These options ensure that ambitious families can secure optimal protection for their homes. Comprehensive coverage across diverse home styles. It's vital to find insurance that covers various home styles, from single-family homes and condos to manufactured homes. Standard policies usually include structural coverage, personal property, liability protection, and living expenses if your home is temporarily uninhabitable. Specific policies may extend to unique aspects of condos or manufactured homes, enhancing coverage comprehensively. Achieving premium affordability. In Georgia, the cost of home insurance can be influenced by multiple factors including home location, age, and claim history, yet remains competitive nationally. Homeowners are encouraged to compare rates and seek policies that balance cost with coverage needs. Specialized insurance for high-value homes. Owners of high-value homes must ensure their coverage matches the potential rebuild costs. Policies offering replacement cost coverage can provide a safety net, ensuring homeowners are not out of pocket in the event substantial repairs are needed. Tailored policies for every family. Each family will have unique insurance needs, from high coverage limits for personal belongings to additional liability for added security. Georgia insurers offer customizable policies with optional add-ons like business equipment coverage or identity theft protection, ensuring a perfect fit for your lifestyle. Leveraging digital tools for easy management. Modern insurance management is streamlined through digital tools that allow policyholders to adjust coverage, file claims, and even make payments online. This tech-forward approach enhances the ease of managing and updating insurance details as needed. Excellence in customer service. Selecting a provider known for excellent customer service ensures that you receive support when it's most needed. Companies with high satisfaction ratings often provide personalized service and responsive claim handling, which can be invaluable during stressful times. Detailed comparison and reviews of leading providers. When selecting an insurer, consider their financial stability and customer service reputation. Detailed reviews and comparisons of features and customer experiences can aid in choosing a provider that offers reliability and good value. Understanding policy add-ons and comprehensive liability. In regions prone to specific risks like floods or earthquakes, standard policies may not suffice. Additional coverage for these risks can be essential. Comprehensive liability coverage is also critical, protecting against potential lawsuits from injuries occurring on your property. Navigating insurance costs and claim processes. The location of your home significantly affects insurance premiums due to factors like natural disaster risk and local crime rates. Homeowners can use this information to negotiate better terms or decide on necessary coverage enhancements. Proactive measures to reduce premiums. Homeowners can lower their insurance costs through home maintenance, such as regular inspections and repairs, and by installing security systems. These measures not only protect the property but can also qualify homeowners for discounts. Conclusion. Finding the right home insurance in Georgia means balancing cost, coverage, and service. With the right approach, homeowners can enjoy comprehensive protection that meets their specific needs without compromising on quality or financial security. Frequent reviews and updates of your policy will ensure that your home insurance continues to meet your needs effectively. Frequently asked questions. Essential coverages. Homeowners should ensure they have comprehensive dwelling, personal property, liability, and loss of use coverage. Additional flood or wind damage coverage may be necessary depending on location. Lowering premiums, maintain a good credit score, explore multi-policy discounts, and consider higher deductibles to reduce premiums without sacrificing essential coverage. Handling denied claims. If a claim is denied, review your policy for coverage details, and provide additional documentation or appeal the decision if necessary. Discounts for first-time buyers. Many insurers offer special rates or discounts for first-time home buyers. Always inquire about these when shopping for a policy. Policy reviews. Annually review and adjust your policy to reflect any new risks or changes in your living situation to ensure continuous adequate coverage.